Cuties! Today we are going to learn birds. How many birds do you know? 1, 3 or 6 and even more. Okay, all of you come and let's join with me to learn the names of the birds. Shall we start? Good. What is this? Sparrow.
Sparrow.
This is pigeon.
Pigeon.
This is parrot.
Parrot.
This is myna.
Myna.
This is hen.
Hen.
This is quail.
Quail.
This is kiwi.
Kiwi.
This is ostrich.
Ostrich.
This is turkey.
Turkey.
This is woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
This is cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
This is kingfisher.
Kingfisher.
This is crow.
Crow.
This is duck.
Duck.
This is crane.
Crane.
This is swan.
Swan.
This is flamingo.
Flamingo.
This is peacock.
Peacock.
This is vulture.
Vulture.
This is eagle.
Eagle.
This is owl.